Okay, so we have removed our throttle body from our Mercedes C240, and it's a faulty throttle body, and we have sent it in to be remanufactured, retested by a professional with the right tools to rehabilitate the existing throttle body here. So we chose BBA remanufacturing. Sorry, it's not focusing very well. BBA Remanufacturing Inc. or BBA Reman. Great company. Many thousands of customers recommend BBA Reman. Of course, there's a ton of other qualified technicians to rebuild and test your throttle body actuator, seen here with the potentiometer inside and the DC motor running the pinion gear to make the throttle body plate or butterfly rotate when we hit the gas pedal. So we're going to carefully reinstall this throttle body unit into our Mercedes C240 2001, the W203 chassis, and as you can see, we have the wiring harness that's going to connect to the mass airflow sensor that sits on top of the elbow here that mounts to the front of the throttle body, or the outside of the throttle body, and then the throttle body mounting to the intake manifold right there. And so we have about 3 pieces to reinstall. First, we're going to make sure this is all cleaned off with throttle body cleaner, and then we're going to, we've chosen CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner, very good stuff. And we're gonna, as you can see, we've already cleaned our throttle body here, gotten rid of a ton of gunk and grease and grime, and we're going to carefully screw back in these 4 Torq screws. These Torq head types are T40, so we have our little adapter there for the T40 Torq head type size, and those 4 are going to go straight through here. Now we're going to use a Torq wrench to make sure that we apply even pressure to each of these Torq screws. And so we have our handy dandy Torq wrench, and we're going to set that T40 to, sorry, it's not focusing very well, to at maximum 54.1 Newton meters, or NMs. So we'll set that Torq wrench so that we situate this throttle body into its place on the intake manifold evenly, and then we're going to then again attach our elbow here. This is 1 unit here, and then attach the air hose back to its side, and then here is the mass airflow sensor in my hand here, that piece there, and again we need to plug it in. So again, we need to plug in the throttle body right here, and the mass airflow sensor right here, and that's what these 2 wiring harnesses connect to. Alright, so let's get to work.